Good morning, children. Good morning.
Good morning, ma'am.
Okay, I think the sound is so low. I think you can hear me. Yes.
Yes.
Okay. So, children, in the last class we have studied 3-digit, 4-digit division with the 1-digit or single-digit divisor. Okay, 1-digit divisor. So today we are going to learn 4-digit and 5-digit number with a 2-digit divisor. 2-digit divisor. Okay. So before that, just we will revise one question with single-digit divisor. Then we will come back to. Okay. So children, here we are going to do one question. 3148 divide 8. This is 8. Divide by 2. Okay.
Which page?
No page. Just listen. Okay. After this one question revision, we will start with the 2-digit divisor. And that 2-digit divisor, that division is similar or same as 1-digit divisor here. Nived, which is the divisor here? Nived?
2.
2. Divisor is 2 and this is the dividend. Okay. So, Nived, can you say that multiplication table of 2 faster? Faster. 2 into 1?
2 into 1, 2.
2. 2 times 2?
4.
4. 3 times 2?
6.
6. 4 times 2?
8.
8. Okay. So children, now we will finish. We will wait here and we will start division. So first one, you have to compare the first number in the dividend. In the dividend, the first number is 3. And when you compare that, 3 is greater than our divisor. That means we can divide. Yes. Okay. Now tell me this. It is between 4 and 2. This 3 will be in between 2 and 4. So it is between these two numbers. So which number I can take? 2. Very good. Because 4 I cannot take from 3. So I will take the number before. 2 into 1. 2 into 1 is 2. So first step I compared. Then I divide. Then I did multiply. Then next one what I had to do?
Divide.
Divide finish. Multiplication finish. Then subtract. Okay. 3 minus 2. Which is that? 3 minus 2? 1.
1.
After that, what you had to do after subtraction? Bring down.
Bring down.
11. Now, children, continue the multiplication table. 5 twos are 10. 6 twos are 12. So, we know this number is between 10 and 12. 11 is between 10 and 12. So, which one we can take? 10. We can take 5 twos are 10. So 5 into 2, that is equal to 10. Next what we have to do again? Subtract. Okay. 1 minus 0? 1 minus 0. 1. 1 minus 1? Okay, 0 here. Bring down 4. Look at the multiplication table. 7 into 2. What is 7 into 2?
14.
14. So children, we can take 7 into 2.
14.
7 multiplied by 2 is 14. Now again what we can do? Subtract. We'll get 0. Now next again we can take bring down. 8. Now look in the multiplication table. Is there any 8?
No.
Huh?
Yes.
You can see here I am circling this number. Which number? 2 into 4. Very good. 2 times 4 is the answer. So you will get 0. So the remainder is 0 and
8.
answer is known as, that is quotient.
1000.
15,574. Okay. So the quotient is 1574 and the remainder is 0. So children, do you understood that division with one digit?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes? Okay.
Yes,
Now
ma'am.
children, who can tell me how we can check whether our division is correct or wrong?
Check.
How you can check? Yes, multiply quotient and divisor. Quotient multiplied by divisor and add the remainder. If you get our dividend, that means our division is correct. Yes, children? Okay. Now let me, 1 minute, let me check. Okay, so children, okay, can you hear? Yes. So children, I'm going to show you one video. In that video, we have 4-digit and 5-digit dividend. Divisor will be 2-digit. Okay. Before starting, let me know how you can find out the multiplication table of 2-digit numbers. For example, children, if you don't know the multiplication table, we don't know the multiplication table of 12. So what we'll do? We will multiply and find out 12 into 1. That we know already, that is 12. 12 into 2, if you don't know, you can multiply. 2 into 2, 4. 2 into 1, 2. So 12 into 2, 24. Okay, like this, any number we can multiply and find out. 12 into 3. 3 twos are 6. 3 into 1, 3. So 12 into 3, that is 36. Now how to find out 12 into 4? Multiply. 4 twos are 8. 4 into 1, 4. So 12 times 4, that is equal to 48. Like this, any number, if it is 15, you have to write 15 into 1, 15 into 2. Like this, 15 into 1 is 15, 15 into 2 is 30. Like that, multiply and find out the multiplication tables. Okay, children? So if you don't know the multiplication table of 2-digit number, that 2-digit divisor, you have to multiply and write down. Okay. So children, I'm going to show you that video. All the children, please pay attention. If the video is, children, if the video is playing, that time what you can do, you can write down that question. Okay. Write down that question in the rough book and write down the multiplication table and try to do along with the video. I will show you 2 questions. 4-digit question divided by the 2-digit divisor, and second question is 5-digit number. The 2 questions you have to write in rough book, and on the side you have to write the multiplication table also. Okay, going to start with.
Today, let us study about division of 4 and 5-digit numbers by a 2-digit number. Let us solve an example to understand division of 4-digit numbers by a 2-digit number. Divide 4,358 by...
Amal, can you please unmute and tell me whether can you see the board clearly and hear the sound?
Yes.
Yes. Yes, Amal?
Yes.
Yes, Akshit?
Clear.
Can you see the board?
Clear. Yes, ma'am.
Can you hear the sound?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, okay. So all the children, even if there is any disturbance in the sound, you can look at the board.
12.
Everything they are writing clearly.
To solve this simple
Write down the
division,
question in your rough
there
book.
are
All of
5
you.
steps. Step 1 is to compare
First
the
step
digits.
you have to do
We
compare.
compare the leftmost digit, that is the thousands in the dividend.
So here two-digit
which
number.
is
So 12, you
4.
have to take 43 as
With
the number.
the
First one.
divisor 12. As 4 is smaller than 12, we
Write down the
compare
multiplication
the
table of 12
hundreds
in the book.
dividend
All of
with
you.
the
12 into
divisor.
1, 12 into 2.
Here 43 is greater than 12. Now we can divide 43 by 12. So step 2 is to divide. Here, as the divisor is 12, we use the table of 12
Check the multiplication table
to
of 12
find
whether
a
you have
product
written correctly.
which is equal to or less than and nearest to 43. So the nearest product is 36. Hence, we write 3 in the quotient above 3. Step 3 is to multiply 12 by 3. As we know, 12 into 3 is equal to
Daksh is not writing
36.
the question and I cannot see you are
We
writing.
write
Write in your rough
36
book.
under 43. Step 4 is to subtract 36 from 43, which is equal to 7. Now, step 5 is to bring down the next digit, that is 5. After bringing down the digit, we repeat steps 1 to 5 till there are no more digits to bring down. So, here we again compare 75 and 12. Here, 75 is greater than 12. So, we can divide 75 by 12. The nearest product to 75
Adnan, are you
in the
writing?
table of 12 is 72. So, we write 6 in the quotient above the 5 and 72 under 75. Next, subtract 72 from 75, which is equal to 3. Now, bring down the next digit, that is 8. So, here we again compare 38 and 12. Here, 38 is greater than 12. So, we can divide 38 by 12. The nearest product in the table of 12 to 38 is 36. So, we write 3 in the quotient above the 8 and 36 under 38. Next, subtract 36 from 38, which is equal to 2. Now, as there are no more digits to bring down, we have finished our division. Thus, we get the quotient as 363 and remainder as 2.
Okay, so children, do you understood question number, these questions? Yes, 4-digit number, divisor is 2-digit. Can I show you 5-digit number also? Show me thumbs up. 5-digit number, same steps. You have to first compare, then divide, subtract, bring down. Okay, so next we are going to do this here. 1 minute.
Now, let us solve division of 5-digit numbers by a 2-digit number. Divide
Write down this question, 5-digit number.
25,626 by 16.
25,626. Divide by 16.
Compare
Write
the
down the table of
leftmost
16 in your
digit.
book.
That is the 10,000s in the dividend with the divisor. 2 is smaller than 16. So now compare the thousands in the dividend with the divisor. Yes, 25 is greater than 16. We can proceed to the second step. Here, as the divisor is 16, we use the table of
Check whether you got this
16
multiplication table.
such
16 into
that
1,
the
16 times
product
2.
is equal to or less than and nearest to 25. So, the nearest product is 16. Hence, we write 1 in the quotient above 5 and 16 below 25. Now, subtract 16 from 25, which is equal to 9. Now, the next step is to bring down the next digit, that is 6. After bringing down the digit, we again compare 96 and 16. Here,
Now check in the multiplication table.
96
Is there any
is
96?
greater than 16. So, we can divide 96 by 16. As we know, 16 into 6 is equal to 96. Write 6 in the quotient and subtract 96 from 96 to get 0. Now bring down the next digit. That is 2. Here 2 is smaller than 16.
So
There
children, here
are
2
not
we
enough
cannot
tens
divide
to
after
divide.
bringing down. So what you have to do? You have to place
So
0.
now write
If you cannot
0
divide, you can place
in
0
the
in the
quotient
quotient.
above 2. Therefore, subtract 0 from 2, which is equal to 2. Now bring down the next digit, that is 6. Now compare 26 and 16. Here 26 is greater than 16. So we can divide 26 by 16. The nearest product is 16. So we write 1 in the quotient above the 6. Now subtract 16 from 26, which is equal to 10. Here the quotient is 1601 and the remainder is 10. Wasn't it fun learning?
Okay, so children, did you understood how this 2-digit divisor we can divide?
Ma'am, I cannot can hear like that properly.
No problem. I told you, no, if that sound is low, everything they are writing on the board. Can you see the board? No.
Yes.
Yes. Okay, so children, did you understood? Same like 1-digit divisor, you have to first compare, then check whether you can divide that number, then multiplication table you have to write down. See division, 2-digit that table, we don't know that 2-digit divisor table. So what you have to do, multiply and write. Then as usual, you have to subtract, then bring down. So can you do one question? All of you take out your rough book. I will give you one question now. Let me see how many children they were listening properly. Yes, children? Yes, show me a book, rough book. You're going to do one question. Okay, question number 1. 4752 divide by 12. First, start writing the multiplication table of 12. All of you. 12 into 1. I will ask you now this table. 12 into 1. 12 times 2. First, write down the multiplication tables faster. Who can tell me the tables? Yes, Niranjana. 12 into 1. In our last question, we were doing that, no? Yes, 12 into 1. Same number. Any number multiplied by 1, you will get the same number. 12 into 2? Huh?
24.
24. Then we have 36, 48, 60, 72,
I got the answer.
84, 96. Last one, 9 twos are 18. 108. Okay. So children, look at the board. Randir, please unmute and speak. Randir. First, this is the divisor and we can take 47 because when you take 4 is smaller than 12, we cannot divide. So we will take two numbers, 47. Now look here, 47 will be between here. Yes?
Yes,
So
ma'am.
you can take these two numbers. 47 is between. So which one we can take, Randir? We can subtract 36. Very good. 12 into 3. That is this 3 times 12. That is 36. Then what to do? Subtract. Yes, Leonel. Subtract and tell me, Leonel. 7 minus 6. 7 minus 6, 1. I cannot hear. Say louder. 4 minus 3? 1. Now 11. Check 11 is smaller than 12. 11 is smaller than 12 means we cannot divide. So what do you have to do?
24.
24. No, here we have only 11. We have to make this big. What do you have to do? Bring down.
48.
Yes. 11 is smaller than 12. So children, we cannot divide. So in that case, what you have to do? You have to bring down. Now look in the multiplication table, which one we can, it is near to 115. We have 12 times 9. 12 into 10, we cannot, that is 120. 12 into 9. 9 into 12. 108. Subtract and tell me the answer. Children, do it alone, all of you. 108 divided, subtract 115 and 108. What is the answer? Subtract and tell me. (115) minus 108.
7.
7. Very good. Okay. Then 7 is small. What we have to do?
Bring down.
Bring down. 7 and bring down 2. 72. Now look in the multiplication table. Is there any 72?
Yes.
12 times which number?
6.
6. 12 into 6. 6 into 12 is 72. Now 72 minus 72 is 0. So that means we have our, this is the quotient. Quotient and remainder R is the remainder 0. Okay. So children, write down this question in your workbook. Question number 15A, page number 65. All of you please take out your rough, write this in the rough book first. Then take your workbook, page 65. This is question number 15A. Do this as homework. Question number 15A. You have to write the multiplication table of 12. Take out the question in like this in the short, long form, long division method. Okay. Same question we have written now, that is 4,752 divided by 12. Which is the quotient we got, Parthasarathi? Which is the quotient when we divide 4,752? Parthasarathi, tell me the quotient.
396.
396. So children, write neatly. You have to place the number inside, divisor outside, subtract, line up and write everything, bring down clearly, and do this question as homework, where you have to write page number 65. Look at the board again. If you don't have the workbook now, write down page 65, 15A. Okay, this is the homework, and we have written this question in the rough book also. Okay, children, understood? So do this question without looking at the rough book. You can practice with a 2-digit divisor. So a two-digit divisor, first you have to write all the tables. Here 12, table 12, children, you can study, I think. 12 into 1, 12, 12 2s are 24, 12 into 3, 36. Try to learn table of 12. Table of 11, very easy. 11, 22, 33, 44, 55, 66. Okay. So multiplication table of 12 also, children, you can learn. Okay. So let me see the attendance. Let me see how many are. Mohammed Akil is there. Lionel. Ameya, Basadi. Yes, Sahian, Amalia. Kashinath was there. Where is Kashinath? Is there? Okay. So children, try to study all the multiplication tables. Now it's the time to wind up the session. Okay. Yes, children. Okay.
Bye, ma'am.
Bye.
Bye,
Do
ma'am.
this homework. Yes. Okay, children. Bye. Thank you. Bye-bye.
Bye, ma'am.